Hey y'all, it's me, Nate. I think I know everybody, but I want to take a minute to introduce myself because that's what we're doing on the email thread. I will be one of your facilitators for the facilitation workshop. I am the special advisor at People in Education, and I'm so excited that y'all will be joining us. When I think about just things you should know about me, I mean, I like good coffee, I like riding my bike, I'm a parent of a 5-year-old, but I think the top thing, y'all, is that I'm also just really tired. It's been a long pandemic. It's been a long week. It's my kid's first week at a summer camp called Space Camp. Also, our wonderful director, Siobhan O'Leary, is a new mom, and so right now our team is actually a person down. So there's a lot going on. But yeah, I don't think that means that our training is not going to be amazing. I think that just means there's a lot going on. I hope this invites y'all to also just show up as human as you are. So if you're tired, if you got a lot going on, if you're juggling things, that's okay. I look forward to seeing y'all later on and very soon. And I'll see y'all later. Peace.